This pandemic brought a lot of craziness. One of those things on the craziness list was people putting in offers on homes sight unseen. What? In today's video, we're gonna go over the madness of this housing market. On the houses I've been selling, I've been receiving offers from people that haven't even seen the house. They're literally putting in blind offers. What's up, everybody? My name is Malachi, and I'm known as the Realist Realtor. I give it to you real, backed by facts. In today's video, we're going over the madness in this housing market. People putting in offers on houses that I've been selling sight unseen, meaning they've never even seen the property, they're only going off the pictures, and that's it. Still blows my mind that people can write up offers and say they want to buy a house and they've never even walked into the property or seen the floor plan, nothing. Hey guys, this is future me before even putting this video out. I did want to add something after I rewatched my recording. When you're shopping for a home, make sure, because again, time is of the essence, and especially if you have a family or are busy with work or anything like that, I would hate for you to go look at houses and you don't like the neighborhood, you don't like the houses surrounding, you don't like the house itself. My suggestion is to get on Google Maps and look at the satellite view, look at the street view, look at the 3D views. Just look at everything you possibly can on that property. Again, ask your realtor to do a video walkthrough if you're out of the area or are gonna have trouble visiting that property, but it is something you're interested in. If the agent selling that house, the realtor selling the house, did not do all they could, again, great pictures as well as great videography, video walkthrough, first, that sucks. But ask your realtor to go ahead and do that for you because I think it's really important. Back to the video. There is a time and place for technology. And I recently had the opportunity and the great privilege to help a family move from out of area. Their commute would have been extremely long, especially with 2 young children. So every time they found interest in a home, I would go over there personally, either FaceTiming them, video chatting, or if they didn't have time at that particular moment when I was at the house, I would just record video of myself walking through the home so they understood the floor plan, the feel, and also characteristics of the home that they were particularly interested in. I would make sure to film that, again, all in one fell swoop so they understood the flow of the property. We never put in offers blind without sight unseen, but for them, if that video and the video walkthrough looked great and it was something that they were interested in, then they would make that commute, that long journey, and take a look at the property physically themselves. It didn't always work out. Sometimes they would come and they didn't like what they saw, but there was one particular property that they really liked. They came out and saw it, put an offer, and boom, we got it. So now they're living in their home, extremely happy, all moved in, still getting settled, but really just happy with the process. So like I said, I think there is a time and place for technology, pictures, video tours, but putting in an offer without going into the home, pretty risky for the sellers. And most of the time, I would probably say 99.9% of the time, because when I represent sellers, I have never accepted an offer that the buyer hasn't even seen or walked through that property. Just wanted to let you guys know. So if you are in the market to hire a realtor to sell your home, please make sure they do video walkthroughs. It is very important that you have a realtor that not only shoots professional pictures, not their cell phones and doing their thing, but really somebody who uses professional photography and videography. It makes a world of a difference, and it also will eliminate people from walking through your home. Especially during this pandemic, you want to limit that as much as possible, because if they don't like the house which I've noticed with some of my buyers. We walk right in, they realize they don't like it, we walk right out. And what a waste of their time as well as the seller's time. If you guys have any questions or are interested in selling your home, putting it on the market, please let me know. I'd love to give you some tips and advice on how to get it ready for the market, how to shoot video, how these pictures come out. I'd even love to show you examples of some of the work that we've done. If you have any other concerns or questions during this pandemic while purchasing or selling your home, I'm always here to answer your questions. Thank you guys for always supporting, and I appreciate all the love. I want to send it back. So again, if you have any questions or would like to game plan, I am here for you. I hope you guys have a great week and a great rest of the week. I think I said that wrong. I hope you guys have a great day and a great rest of the week. I will see you next week.